Hi everyone, this is small unboxing today. I ordered this from Amazon. This is Wow Science Restore and Rejuvenate Hair Care Kit. So the front side has my address and all, so I'm not going to show that, but you can see this is the MRP, 1597 rupees. And this has, I don't know why the box was opened, but let's see if products are sealed or not. Okay, so this is you can see red onion and black seed oil shampoo. So I have ordered from this range because I had lots of hair fall recently, and this is onion black seed hair oil, and then the third one is conditioner. So this is the conditioner. Everything is sealed, but don't know why the package was open. Maybe because of this shipping thing. And I don't know how it's gonna work for me. So I'll give it a try for a month, and then we'll give an honest review how this has worked or if it has not worked for me, and then we'll let you know. Thank you. Okay, so here on the side it's like how to use this kit. So step one first is apply the oil first. Take enough oil depending upon your hair volume and length, and apply on the roots and gently massage into the scalp, focusing on the roots, and then work it through the length of your hair. Leave it for at least half an hour before shampoo. So step two is the shampoo. Take enough amount of shampoo in your palm, emulsify, and then apply on your wet hair. Massage and lather into the scalp and rub it down the length of the strands to clean them. Rinse your hair well with plenty of warm water. Follow with cool rinse to seal the cuticles and add smoothness and shine. Step 3 is apply conditioner. Take enough conditioner and emulsify in your palm. Apply on the strands going from mid-length to the tip. Smooth the leftover product onto your hair. On the rest of the hair on top, avoid applying on the scalp. Leave for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with plenty of plain water. Once it has been washed off completely, follow with cold water. Rinse to lay the cuticles flat for extra smoothness and shine. So I have not ordered the kit with the hair mask because I think this much is enough to see the result. If this kit really works for me, I'll order the hair mask as well. Okay, so here's tips to get lush hair. Brush your hair thoroughly before oiling or shampooing to loosen dry flakes and build-ups from the scalp. Also helps to stimulate the natural oils to the scalp. Give your hair a hot oil treatment once a week to help stimulate the roots and improve blood circulation to the scalp. Use warm oil for massaging. Wrap your hair in hot towel for 10 minutes and then shampoo as usual. Always use a wide tooth comb to detangle your wet hair after washing to avoid breakage and roughening the hair cuticles. If your hair feels extra dry and looks unmanageable on non-shampooing day, simply wet the hair, apply little conditioner from the mid-length to the tip, rinse well, and let your hair air dry. We'll shortly update you on how this works for me. Bye-bye.